Hello and greetings. My name is Jason Anamong. Alongside with me are Dominic Our Anak Jonas, Borni Melantika Anak Great, and Frederick Sare Anak Peter. Today we'll be presenting about prop Mackintosh procedure. The equipment for this prop Mackintosh procedure is boring rods, rods coupling, penetration cone, measuring tape, hammer, oil or lubricant, glove, lifting tools, and trowel. Step 1. Preparation. Measure out intervals of 0.3 meter or 30 cm along the length of each rod, and mark each interval with liquid paper.
The next step is all of the apparatus just now we need to lubricate them using our own oil. This is to make sure that every apparatus is now are ready to be used in our prop Mackintosh laboratory tests. The next thing we need to do is we screw in the penetration cone to the first rod. The next step is very important. It is because we need to screw in our hammer just now to the first rod and then screw also our stopper. Then we have to make sure all of these apparatus are tightly secure, for it is a safety while we are using it during our lab. Last but not least is we need to screw the cap of the hammer just now tightly and secure before we start into our prop Mackintosh test lab.
Step 3. Location. Make sure the area of soil at which the rod is supposed to penetrate is clear of any rubbish, debris, or tree roots. Position the penetration cone along with the rod and hammer firmly on the ground.
The next thing is very important, where we need to hold the bottom and middle part of the rod, and then we hold it very tight, and one of us will pull the hammer just now and let it go. Once it will automatically go down by itself into the position, and then repeat the step just now until the 0.3 of intervals or the accumulated number of blows is reached on the bottom of the ground. Next, record all of the data, which is the number of blows and interval just now. We need to record it and then repeat this step 3 to 4 until the length of the first rod is driven into the bottom of the ground.
Hi, hello everyone. My name is Bernie Malantikana Great. Okay, I'm the next presenter for this step 5, which is attaching rod. Okay, now we proceed to the video. Unscrew the hammer cap and the stopper, and then take out the hammer. And then screw in the rod coupling for the next step. Then attach the second rod tightly. Then, then we insert the hammer back into the rod and screw in the stopper and hammer cap. These are the next steps for this step 5. Then continue blowing and recording the number of blow. Make sure you use hand glove for this safety. Okay, for the next step, okay, back. Okay, these are the next step, which is step 6, dismantling equipment. Okay, we proceed again with the video. Once an accumulated number of 400 blow or 4 rod have been achieved, the rod can be now be taken out. Start by unscrewing the stemmer cap and stopper. Take out the hammer from the rod. Using a lifting tool, extract out the rod as shown. Pull it together with your friend, as we can see from the video. Okay, when the first rod has been fully extracted, unscrew it from the coupling and then unscrew the coupling from the second rod. Proceed to extract the second rod in the same manner. Okay, do it again with your friend. O- Okay, that's all from me. That I already present step 5 and step 6. Next, I will pass this presentation to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hello and good morning or good afternoon, sir. My name is Dominic Onajonas, and I will continue with the step 7 of the prop Mackintosh test. So, step 7 is the sample collection. Once the rod had been extracted, prepare a small metal dish to collect the soil clinging to the rods. As sample, a trowel can be used for this. So, we collect the soil. Collect enough soil sample to be brought back to the laboratory for testing. So for the step 8 is the laboratory work. We record the wave of the empty dish. Next, record the wave of the soil sample in the same dish. Place the dish inside the oven to dry out all of the moisture in the soil. Then we leave it inside for 24 hours. We leave it for 24 hours. Alright, after 24 hours is up, take the dish out and wave it again. Then we record the new reading for the soil sample. All the data and readings recorded can then be used to carry out soil moisture testing. So that's all for the prop Mackintosh test presentation. So I hope you have a wonderful day, sir, and thank you very much.